Welcome to Calypso Farm and Ecology Center. My name is Tom, one of the staff here. We're a small production farm focused on education and community. On the farm, we focus on diversity. We grow vegetables of many different types. We have fruit trees, berries, sheep and goats, honeybees, and we grow a lot of flowers and herbs, some for sale and some for on-farm use. We have a variety of educational programs, from field trips to summer camp for youth, to gardening workshops and farmer training programs. Calypso is located in interior Alaska, near Fairbanks. We're situated here in this beautiful boreal forest, which was lands of the Lower Tanana Dene people. The boreal forest is a land of extremes. Dark winters with lots of snow and summers with up to 22 hours of sunlight. We use ecological gardening practices. By that I mean observing nature and implementing those natural processes in our fields for the benefit of the whole system. We're a small-scale intensive farm, which allows us to minimize the use of fossil fuels. You could say we farm on a human scale, not on a machinery scale. One of our main objectives is caring for the soil by building a soil that is full of life and health. In addition to caring for the soil, we focus on biodiversity. We grow hundreds of different varieties. We focus on native pollinators. We incorporate our farm animals, and we welcome wildlife into our farming system. On the farm, it's not just about field productivity. It's about people, it's about community, it's about building things with our hands and incorporating arts and crafts. The heart of this farm is community, intergenerational, where we are growing and learning together. To get involved with Calypso, the best place to start is to visit our website and learn more about the variety of programs we have. Whether you are local or you're at a distance, there are ways for you to participate, and everyone is welcome.